Hello and welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about the Time More glass server. This is the latest server that we are stocking, and we chose this server for a couple different reasons. We think it's really stylish, especially compared to the Hario V60 servers, which do contain some plastic around the collar and the handle. This server is completely glass. We feel it offers a different sort of aesthetic when brewing coffee, but at the end of the day it still is a server. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and we're going to talk a little bit more about the materials used. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, you can always drop a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to see more. So the very first thing that we're presented with is the box. We've got the Time More logo on the top. We've also got the Time More branding on the side and the other side, and then on the right hand side we got a little bit more information. Now these servers do not have a manual or a booklet or a warranty card included. They just have the QR code. So if you need more information for whatever reason, you can always just scan the QR code and that will take you directly to the website. And then on the other side, we've just got a little barcode scan. Fantastic. So to open this up, we've got this tiny little triangle system, which I haven't actually seen before. So all we have to do is just flick that open, and that open like that, out the way. And then this top piece comes up, and it says designed for a cup of good coffee. Lift that piece up, and we got these two tabs and some styrofoam just to keep everything in place. Cool. Now I'll just remove the server and the lid. As far as the packaging goes, that's it. So simple, but this is a durable piece of glassware, so these really shouldn't break in transit unless it's really badly mishandled. But with the styrofoam, it's quite thick and it can take a beating. Cool. So now, this, like I said before, this server is completely made from glass. This is the same, if not a similar glass as the Hario borosilicate glass. And one thing to note is that this lid also has a small amount of silicone plastic just around the edge to create that seal when you close it. And the design of this silicone with the triangles just allows it to hold in place. It won't go anywhere once it's secured. Cool. So as you can see, it's quite striking. It's crystal clear, it's lightweight, but it's also quite durable. And the lip at the top is wide enough to fit AeroPress, V60, origami dripper, and your Kalita dripper. It will also hold up to 600 mils, which is ample enough room for all of your pour over for 1 to 3 cups of coffee. That's pretty much it. The handle is a thicker glass used than the actual server itself, and that's really cool because it doesn't get too hot. It holds its temperature very well inside, seeing it as it is glass, you just do need to be mindful of where you place that once it has something hot in it. So now I just wanted to quickly cover some of the reasons why you might be interested in a dripper. So firstly, you do not need a server. A server, I think, would probably be one of the later pieces of equipment to be on your list, just because you really don't need it. You can brew directly into a mug or a cup, but having a server is super handy for when you're brewing a lot of coffees. When you are brewing coffees over and over again, being able just to split the amount of coffee into 2 cups when you have 2 people, or if you have ever experienced this when you've just brewed your coffee, you're getting down to that last little bit, whether that's a pour over or an AeroPress, and then it starts overflowing because you just brewed that into your cup and you've underestimated that capacity of that cup. Nightmare, you've just spilt your coffee everywhere. So yeah, that's why a server is a really attractive idea. It holds ample enough liquids, like I said, anywhere from 1 to 3 cups of coffee, depending on the size of the coffee, obviously. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.